Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, hi. Sorry for the delay. Myself, C. Aditya, and I welcome you all to this beautiful, amazing channel called as HighQ Innovate. So today, what are we going to do? We are going to do a very interesting session, which is very extremely important for all the CA Foundation students. If you ask me, without this session, it is next to impossible that you should go to the examination. Because today's session you will understand what is the ICAI expectations on how to write the paper. But before even starting, please tell me, am I very much audible to you? Please tell me, am I very much visible to you? Just give me a thumbs up. Am I audible or visible? Please tell me. All my Chennai kids, I remember very clearly at the HighQ channel, as at the HighQ class, I taught you all last time. Please tell me, am I very much audible to you? All the kids who I've never taught, please consider me as your Anna, as your brother. Allow me to guide you, please. Okay. Okay, please just give me a nice confirmation. Am I very much audible and visible to you? Good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon. Vishwa, good afternoon. Hi Ria, good afternoon. Audible. Okay, fantastic. Am I very much audible? That is great. So today, what are we going to do, guys? What are we going to do? See, today we are going to understand what is the ICAI expectations on how to present CAFC paper 2 law. See, by now it is 23rd December. By now you would have covered all the chapters probably. If not, few chapters would have been left for revision purposes. But at least once you would have read all the chapters is what I understand. Also, you would have solved question as well. Still, I get lot of messages that sir, I am facing lot difficulty in how do I write the law paper? How do I present the law paper? What is the ICAI expecting? Because I'm just studying, but I'm not understanding how to present the law paper. And that is why today we are meeting for this beautiful session, which you should watch. It is like a bucket list for your law paper. If you do not do this, it is very difficult for you to be able to sit in the law paper. And that is why it's my humble request. Please consider me as your Anna. I'm telling you. You also watch this lecture till the end. Also do share it to your friends so that they can watch it as well. And the last thing before I start, that if at all you like my lecture, then please do comment on the lecture after the lecture has been uploaded. Okay, fantastic. Can I now start? Afreen is a big fan. Thank you so much, Afreen. Can I now start? Fantastic. Okay. That is great. Now see. So the session name is ICAI expectation how to present law paper. Now please see this. If you understand one thing, this is your paper. This is your paper of which attempt, Anna? This is your paper of June 23. This is a law paper of June 23, the latest attempt. Yes, definitely. I'm going to keep the entire lecture in English only. The lecture is fully going to be in English only for all my South India students. Also the North India students can also join. Also the Mumbai students can also join. They will also understand this. This is an open lecture for everybody. But especially for the South Indian students. So the lecture will be in English only. You will understand everything. Also the chat box is open. If at all you want to ask me anything, please feel free to just drop in the chat box so I can just read it and answer to you. Also just please keep replying so I'll understand that you are there with me, and so you know I'll be just more and more focused on you people. Fair enough. So I think there are 30 people by now, and let's make it 300. Do share it to your friends so they can also join. Just give me a thumbs up now. Can I start? You'll reply me, right? Just can I start, please? Okay, great. Okay, that is fantastic. Okay, chalo. Let's start now. 1 second. You don't know Tamil, sir? I know Tamil, but very little I know. Kunja. Okay, but I cannot teach in Tamil, so it's better if I teach in English. Okay, I'll try learning Tamil the next time I come to Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Okay, that is great. Chalo. Now see this. This is a June 23 paper, the latest one I'm talking about. Let us learn in the very latest attempt what is the ICAI expectations on your paper. Now, in this session, if you understand in your law paper, we have 5 major topics. You already know this. I'm not going to discuss on this. We have 5 major topics, something called as Contract Act, something called as Companies Act, something called as the Indian Partnership Act, which again goes with hand in hand with LLP, and you have Sales of Goods Act. Now today we are going to see these 4 major acts. We are going to try and understand what is the institute's expectation on writing answers for these 4 major acts. For the Indian Contract Act, I am going to take a separate lecture exclusively for Indian Contract Act, how to present paper for Indian Contract Act. I'll try and uploading that lecture as well. But today, let us try and cover these 4 major acts. If you understand, out of the 70 marks of law which is there with options, 22 marks is of contract, but 50 marks is of these 4 big acts. So if you understand these 4 big acts as well, you are done with the law paper. And if you know Indian Contract Act little also, it's absolutely fine. You should have a hammer on these 4 acts. And that is why the first lecture, the most dynamic lecture for today, how to present paper as per ICI, is today's lecture of covering these 4 major acts. Now please see this. Now please see this. Understand. Contract will try and uploading a separate lecture for you all. Now please see this. Talking about these 4 major acts, what I have done is, in the entire paper I have marked that which question is Companies Act, which question is SOGA. I'll try uploading this PDF also in the link there where you can download and check that what are the institute's expectation. Now see this, please understand. Let us go very slow. Let us see what is the institute expecting. This is going to be a set paper pattern. See this. Question number 1. The first question is on Indian Contract Act. Where I have not written anything, it is of Indian Contract Act. The second question is based on your Companies Act. The third question is based on your Sales of Goods Act. Now, if we go ahead, the second question, again out of the second question, the first one is based on your LLP. The first one is based on the Indian Contract Act. The second one is based on your LLP, the Limited Liability Partnership. Now, if you go ahead, one more thing, if you go ahead, directly I have downloaded from the institute's website and presenting in front of you the way institute wants. If you check the third lecture, the third one, again the first question is based on the Indian Partnership. The second one is based on your Indian Contract Act, which means if you understand by now, Indian Contract Act you cannot leave, but that doesn't mean the remaining chapters you will study in a bit low manner. If you study remaining chapters very thoroughly, you will be solid done, don't worry. If you go ahead, I'm just taking out your run through and then we'll just hammer each topic individually. Talking about question number 4, see this. Question number 4, the first question is SOGA, the second question is based on TIPA. It means we have question number 4, that question which is not based on the Indian Contract Act, which means this is going to be your question where you will have to score full 12 marks. Out of these 12 marks, at least 10 you will have to score. This is going to be your first question which is not based on Indian Contract Act. Do you understand that? Now let us go a little more ahead. Question number 5. SOGA and Companies Act. This is going to be your again second question where you do not have Indian Contract Act, which means question number 4, question number 5, both are not based on your Indian Contract Act. If you see question number 4, 12 marks, question number 5, 6, 4, 2, again 12 marks, which means even if your Indian Contract Act is not good, still 10 marks question number 4, 10 marks question number 5, easily you can score. Now let us go ahead and check question number 6 as well. Question number 6, one question we have on Indian Contract Act and again 2 questions we have on the Indian Partnership Act and the Companies Act, which means by now you should understand, you should learn this, you should remember this. Out of all the questions, question 4 and question 5, 24 marks. Out of this you have to score 20 marks and this will not include the Indian Contract Act. This will not include the Indian Contract Act. This will not include the Indian Contract. Please tell me, do you understand this much? Which means being a student, you have to attempt this. You have to attempt this by hook or by crook. This is going to be your first best placement for clearing CA Foundation Law Paper. 20 marks, short. Please tell me, do you understand? Only then I can go ahead. Give me a nice confirmation, guys. Yes, Naruto, you can definitely watch it later, no problem. We are going to upload this video as well. Please tell me, do you understand this? Give me a nice thumbs up, guys. Afreen, Saryan Shri, Pratesh Shri, Varsha. Please tell me, do you understand this? Ria, Pratish, andar aa ek baar. Please tell me. Riya saying clear. Okay, fantastic. Sari and Shri, I am waiting for others. Please give me a very nice confirmation so I can understand that my students are connected with me. Okay, Shri Varsha is saying clear, sir. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. I'm waiting for others to reply. Thank you so much. Saryanshi is saying yes. Thala for a reason is saying yes. I like your name, Thala for a reason. Okay. Fantastic, fantastic. Santosh is saying clear, sir. Hi, Santosh. Nice to see you. That is great. That is great. Now see. So being a student first, this is very much clear that you have to attempt question number 4 and question number 5. Now let's hammer on each part individually. See this. First, we are going to go in this order. See this. First, let us try and watch LLP. That how are they expecting LLP questions, LLP answers. Second, let us try and watching the Indian Partnership Act. Third, let us go to the Companies Act. And at last, let us go to the SOGA. Let us try and understand each segment differently. Let us try and understand what are their expectations on writing the paper. First, let us go to the LLP. So LLP, if you understand, it is a fixed segment. LLP. So at the last, you can take a photo of what I am writing. You just stay focused. First, LLP. See the question. Question number 2B, which means I will write here that LLP is question number 2B. You can take a photo of this at the last. I will write everything, whether it is a theory question, case study question, marks also I will write, so you can have a complete analysis. This is of 5 marks. A single-handed question based on LLP. See this, what are they asking you? Discuss the liabilities of limited liability partnership and its partners in case of fraud as per the provisions of Limited Liability Partnership Act. Well, the question is, what are the liabilities of LLP? What are the liabilities of its partners as per the provisions of Limited Liability Partnership Act? See, we are not here to discuss the answers, that what is the answer, please tell me. No, I am trying to show you, you all know everything by now. I am trying to show you that how to present the answer. What is the institute expecting from you? Like, even if you know the answer, why is there a problem? Because you cannot write the answer. And that is why the institute is showing you that how to write the answer. We are here to discuss this. Please check this. Please check this. See, they are writing the heading, which you also should write. Unlimited liability in case of fraud. If at all you know the section, you should quote the section. If at all you do not quote this, if you do not know the section, then you should quote as per the provisions of Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Then first, in case of fraud. See the heading they are writing, in case of fraud, and then they are writing the provision. This is the provision. See, they are writing it in a pointer manner, that in the event of an act carried out by the LLP or its partners with an intent to defraud creditors, and then the answer goes on. They are writing this in a pointer manner, easily to read, easily to understand. Then see the next heading, punishment. Then they are talking about punishment. See this, where any business is carried on with an intent for such purpose as mentioned above. See, you cannot remember the subsection, right? So it is absolutely fine. You can write as mentioned above. Every person who was knowingly to a party or party on the business in the manner aforesaid shall be punishable with, and the answer goes on again. So first was provision. Second was your contravention. Means, what is the punishment if I am contravening the provision? So first is provision, second is contravening the provisions, and third is the compensation. Compensation means they are closing the answer by writing the conclusion. So first was provision, second was contravention. Second was if you contravene the provision, what is the punishment, and third is the compensation. See here, they are telling you that where a LLP or any partner or designated partner has conducted the affairs of the LLP in a fraudulent manner, then without prejudice to any criminal proceedings, the LLP and any such partner shall be liable to pay compensation. Look at the thing they are writing. They are just closing it, that every person who is liable to the fraud, he shall be liable. Do you understand this? We are not discussing any answers like what should be the answer. No, we are trying and understand how to present the answer, even if you know the answer. Do you get this? So LLP, when they ask you the answer, you have to present the answer in 3 parts. First is writing the provision. Second is you have to mention the like if you contravene the provision, what is the punishment? And third is the fraud. And third is the compensation for fraud. Do you get that? Do you get this, kids? Please tell me. Yes, no? Sai Ganesh, Pratish, Satya, Riya, Shri Varsha. Yes, no, I'm just waiting for your confirmation, guys. We are not here to discuss any answers. The answers you already know, right? We are just trying and understand how to present the answers. Attitude YouTube, nice. Santosh, Riya, Thala, Saryan Shri, Satya, Naruto. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. That is great. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Yes or no, guys? Fantastic, fantastic. If at all you like this video, I mean, if at all you find any validation from this video, it's a request. Do like the video when the video is uploaded. Do comment on the video down, because the algorithm works like this, because I want to reach as many students as I want to help them. So the video will reach to maximum number of students if you comment down. So it's a request for me. If you want to do something, please do comment down at the end of the video, and stay subscribed to the channel so that if I upload more such videos, it can reach you. Done? That is fantastic. That is fantastic. So this is the first question, which was based on your first act, which is LLP. Let us take this further. Let us take this further. One person is asking, sir, can you please tell me how to complete the whole book in 2 days time? I will tell you. I will surely tell you. Please just let me complete this important session, and after that, if you want to discuss anything with me, I am right here only. I have taken ample amount of hours from them. I'm here till 5 o'clock. We have a lecture. 5:30 we can easily stretch. Don't worry. Whatever you want to ask me, you can ask me. Like a brother, whatever you want to ask me, I'm just right here only. Fair enough? Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. This is done. Now, the second is based on the Indian Partnership Act. The Indian Partnership Act. Pranjal, if we go on explaining the answers, so we are doing that only, right, Pranjal? We are doing that only, no? We are trying explaining the answers as well. What are they writing? What are their expectations? The provision, the compensation. We are doing that only, Pranjal. See here, now, the Indian Partnership Act. Now, let us first make a quick summary. The Indian Partnership Act, where are they asking you? First, question number 1, no Indian Partnership Act. Question number 2, no Indian Partnership Act. Question number 3, first question is based on Indian Partnership Act. Any other question? No. Which means question number 3A, a direct question. See here. Question number 3A, 6 mark, and the question was direct. Direct question. Then let us go ahead. Let us go ahead. Again, Indian Partnership Act, but this I understand it's a case study based question. Question 4B, 6 marks, case study based question. Fantastic. Here, question 4B. Case study. Case study based question. Then. Question 5, no Indian Partnership Act. Again, question 6, one more question we have of 4 marks, means question 6B. See here. Question 6B, direct question, 4 marks, which means now if you understand the Indian Partnership Act, if you understand one thing, the Indian Partnership Act, they are asking you 16 marks, which you already know. Now the beauty is, please understand one thing. After this analysis, you will understand one thing, that they are asking you 2 direct questions. 2 direct questions from the Indian Partnership, and they are asking you 1 case study based question. This is the analysis I was talking about. See, after doing this, now you understand from the Indian Partnership Act, they are asking you 2 direct questions. Direct questions are easily answerable, and they are asking you only 1 case study question. Do you get that? Okay. Sir, in exam, in LLP comes only for 5 marks, sir. Yes, Srivarsha, it comes only for 5 marks. Now, see this. Now let us discuss the questions first. First is question number 3A, the direct question. See here. Explain about the registration procedure of partnership firm as prescribed under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Registration procedure. See here, please see here. See, now you want to register your partnership firm. See, you have to write the heading, application for registration. You have to write the section if you remember. If you do not remember, please write as per the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. But give a nice heading. See, look, they're asking you the question, you have to present it in a legal manner. In the legal manner, there should be one heading. So the heading you have to write. Write it as per the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the bracket and then start the answer. See, what is the writing? The registration of a firm may be effected at any time by sending by post or by delivering to the registrar of the area in which any place of business of firm is situated or proposed to be situated. Means, if you want to register your firm, you have to send an application, okay, either by post or you have to deliver it physically. To whom? To the registrar, okay, where at a place where your business is situated or it is proposed to be situated. Achha, what needs to be given to the registrar? A statement. Oh, and what should be there in the statement? Will this answer you already know? What? For example, see, they have just written 5 points. That's it. You also write only 5 points. For example, the firm's name. So they have written 6 points. You write 5 points. This is absolutely correct. No problem. So you can mention the firm's name, the place or principal place of business, the name or any other place where the firm carries on business, the date when each partner joined, the names in full, the duration. Just mention 5 points. It's absolutely fine. It's out of this. Just write any 5. Any 5 of your choice. No problem. After that, see, this is an important line. This is an important line which you cannot miss. This you have to write. See this. The statement shall be signed by all partners or by their agents specifically authorized in this behalf. Who will sign the statement? Either all partners or by the agents. Now, each person who signs the statement shall also verify. See, before signing, you are going to become a chartered accountant. So before signing, you should verify what are you signing. Also, see this again, a very, very important point that they have mentioned. You are making a registration for name. So the firm name shall not contain any of the following words. For example, crown, emperor, king, queen, etc. This is what they are expecting. Please tell us what are the words that you cannot mention. Please mention that also. See, registration. Now, they are talking about registration. See this. When the registrar is satisfied that provisions of section have been duly complied with, he shall record an entry in the statement of he shall record an entry of the statement in the register called as register of firms. That is what they are telling you. So after this, what should we do? We should file this statement in the register of firms. And see this very, very, very critical line. Please take a note of this. Please take a note of this. The firm, when registered, shall use the bracket. Shall use the word registered in the bracket. This is what they are expecting. See, what students generally do, general mistake in the entire India, what students do? They only write these 5 points. Sir, ma'am, not acceptable. They will not give you full marks. You are like my brother and sisters. I'm like your Anna, please understand. If you write only these 5 points, they will not give you marks. They are expecting that please write these 5 points. Please write okay, what are the names that you cannot use. After writing what are the names you cannot use, please write that after the firm is registered, what will happen. This is what they are expecting. This is what I was telling you. Please tell me, now did you get this or did you not get this? Please tell me. Please mark me with a yes, no, anything you want to ask, please tell me. I'm waiting for your confirmation. After that, I'll definitely go ahead. Please tell me. We're not in any hurry. We'll cover everything, every question. Srivarsha, Riya, Thala, Deepika Shri, Pranjal. Please go ahead. Can you please discuss on any topics? Scan copy, sir. Sure, Dinesh, I'll keep a separate lecture on that as well. No problem. If you want, I'll do that also. That is great. That is great. That is great. See now. See now. See now. So one student has requested me, sir, can you please discuss on any topper scan copy? If you want me to discuss on any topper scan copy, I want you all to please comment down after the lecture is uploaded. If I see maximum comments down, I'll surely keep a separate lecture on how is a topper writing a paper, and we can discuss on that as well. No problem. But at least you have to comment down so I'll understand how many people are interested. I'll surely do that. Fair, Dinesh? Okay, fantastic. After the lecture is uploaded, you have to do that. Now, question number 3 is done. Question number 6B. Let us do 6B. One more direct question and then discuss on the case study. 6B. See here. See, nobody is bigger than the institute. Okay. So, if the institute is writing this paper, the topper has to write this paper. So, even if you do not discuss the topper's paper, it is absolutely fine if you understand how the institute is presenting. Done? Okay. Now see. There is no such highest marks in law. You can score as much as you want. You can just cannot score full. 80, 85, 75, you can. No problem. Now see this. Again, another direct question. What are the rights of partners with respect to conduct of business of firm? What are the rights of partners they are asking? The rights of partners. Now see this, see this, see this. Again. See, again, they are giving the heading. So if you understand by now, every answer before starting the answer, they are giving the heading. Also, they are writing the section. So if at all you remember the section, please quote the section. If you don't remember the section, it's absolutely fine, but at least write the heading and write as per the provisions of Indian Partnership of 1932. By now, you should understand that before starting the answer, they are giving the heading. See, if you present the answer in the manner institute expects, then I can bet you, I am telling you, he will check your paper very diligently and he'll just give you great marks. Do you get that? Okay, fantastic. Now, let's go ahead. Now, see. So, they are telling you every partner has a right to take part in the conduct of business. Obviously, every partner has a right to take part. Second, every partner is bound to attend diligently to his duties. Every partner has to fulfill his duties. Third, any difference arising as to ordinary matters connected with the business may be decided by majority of partners. Means any decision needs to be taken by majority, not all, majority decision needs to be taken. Every partner shall have a right to express his opinion. Now, every partner has a right to have access to and inspect copy books of the firm. In the event of death of the partner, his heirs or legal representative or duly authorized agents shall have a right to access, inspect, copy any of the books of the firm. Very simple answer. Now, what is the take from this? What is the take from this? See, click this photo after I am marking. Click this photo. Once I am done marking, click this photo. If at all you do not remember the entire answer, it's fine. You should remember the keyword. In this answer, I am going to show you what are those keywords that if you do not write those keywords, the institute will not give you marks. If you cannot write the entire answer, it is fine. You have to write few keywords and present it in a normal sentence manner. But if you do not present those keywords also, the institute will not give you marks. For example, here are some keywords. Here is a technique which you have to apply in every answer. I am just showing you one technique. See. That's it. If at all you cannot remember the entire answer, it is fine. Just remember these keywords, present these keywords in a proper manner, you are done. If at all you do not remember the start of the answer, end of the answer, the middle of the answer, it is absolutely fine, ladies and gentlemen. But please, just remember these keywords and present this in a proper manner, you will be done. And this you have to do with every direct question. Every direct question, if you cannot remember the entire question, it's no problem. At least just remember the keywords. Just remember the keywords. Please tell me, did you get this or not? Please tell me, did you get this or not? I'm just waiting for your confirmation, guys. Every answer I'm discussing in detail. Every answer I'm reading it, marking it, so that you can understand what is the institute's expectation. Please take this photo. Not this yellow one. This green one. This is the keyword. This green one is the keyword. This green one is the keyword. And the heading. This is the keyword. Please tell me, did you get this? Riya, okay, Thala, Sri Varsha, Saryan Shri, Mr. Question Bank. Okay. Please quickly comment down so I'll understand that my students are there with me. Yes. Thank you for the key points. You're welcome, Saryan Shri. See, if at all you comment down, so I'll understand. Like first, one student told me that, sir, if at all we can discuss toppers paper. Fantastic. After the lecture is uploaded, please do this. Please comment down that you want me to discuss toppers paper. So I'll understand. Yes, there are a lot of students who are interested. Please share it to your friends also. Let them comment down also. So if there are more number of students, let us say if there are 30 students also, so I'll definitely keep a next session on toppers paper. Then on that paper, what I'll do is, on that paper, if you have any special demand that, Anna, we want you that from the entire book, just give us the keywords. I'll keep a lecture on that also. But you have to be with me. You have to just do as I'm telling you. Like after this lecture is uploaded, if you find any value addition, do like the lecture. So I'll understand. It's like a motivation for us that yes, students are liking this. Let us do more and more of this. Do comment down, so I'll understand, yes, students are interested. Do comment down that, so we will clear CA foundation in this attempt. Then comment down, sir, let us discuss toppers paper. If there are 20 students also, 30 students also, I'll keep a next lecture on that, how to present paper in a topper manner. And then on that lecture, I'll ask you to comment down again, that please comment down that, Anna, we want keywords lecture, that please give us keywords on the entire module. I will give you that also. That even if you do not remember the entire answer, just remember the keywords. Please tell me, are you there with me? At YouTube, welcome. See, I at HighQ, Sheikh sir at HighQ, we have very clear vision that we want to reach all the students who want to clear CA foundation in this attempt. Okay, we have to clear CA foundation in this attempt, not for you, not for me, but for our parents. So whatever it will take, I will do it for you. But you have to support me, you have to be with me. Definitely, I'll tell you how to complete. So that is what I'm telling you. If at all you have not even opened the book, if at all you have not opened the book, if you do the keywords also, you will be done. Done? Yes, Saryan Shri. We'll definitely take the keywords lecture. So I'm telling you, after this lecture is uploaded, let us do 2 sessions after this. Let us try doing 2 sessions. After this lecture is uploaded, first thing, you will like it. You will share it to your friends so that they can get value addition. Third thing is you will comment down that you are going to clear CA foundation in June 23. And sir, let us discuss toppers paper. One lecture, let us discuss toppers paper, and then one lecture. On that lecture, we will comment down, Anna, let us have a keywords lecture. Okay? Okay, Dinesh, I'll do that also for you. Don't worry. Chalo. The next question. See, now. Question 4B is on case study. Now, here's the catch. Anna, please tell us how to write case study. This case study irritates us a lot. Don't worry, I'll give you keywords of that also right here, right now. Marathon, definitely will have, Pranjal. Definitely will have. That was for sure point. Don't worry. See, now the for sure point I'll try. I'll talk to Sheikh sir that, sir, I only want a marathon. Okay, so if you have a marathon, we'll definitely do it. Don't worry. That's a commitment to you from my side that I'll talk to Sheikh sir. If he's free, the slot is free, we'll definitely do it. We'll try keeping the marathon lecture, don't worry. Okay? Now, see this. Question 4B. Yeah. See this. Now, case study. Thala, revision. For revision purpose, I'll be very honest with you. You should have keywords with you. If you do not have keywords, it is very difficult to cover the entire lecture. The entire book. So you should have keywords with you in hand for every answer the way I give you for one answer. See this now. P, Q and R are partners in a partnership firm. R retires from the firm without giving public notice. Oh, R retires from the firm without giving public notice. Okay. P approach S. Okay, so R retires without giving public notice. Okay. P approach S, an electronic appliance trader, for purchase of 25 fans for his firm. P introduced E, an employee of the firm, as his partner to S. Oh. P introduced E, an employee of the firm, as his partner to Mr. S. S believing E and R as partners. So S believed two things. First, that E is a partner. Second, that R is a partner. See, R was a partner. He didn't give public notice, so obviously people will still believe that he is a partner. So he'll be liable. E was an employee. He was not a partner. He became partner by holding out. Holding out. So the other party believes that he is also a partner. So supplied 25 fans to firm on credit. S did not receive the payment for the fans even after expiry period. Advise S from whom he can recover the payment. C, he can recover it from P and Q. He can recover it from R as he did not give public notice. Also, he will recover it from E because he was a partner by holding out. That's it. Here only, immediately after reading the case study, you should understand that this is going to be your answer. First, you should understand that what is going to be the answer. Only after that you can write the answer. Do you get that? Okay. Now, see this, see this, see this. See this. According to subsection 3 of section 32 of the Indian Partnership Act. See, if you remember this, it's fine. If you do not, so you should say according to the Indian Partnership Act 1932, a retiring partner along with the continuing partner continue to be liable to any third party for acts of the firm after his retirement until public notice of retirement has been given either by himself or by any other partner. But the retiring partner will not be liable to any third party if the latter deals with the firm without knowing that former is a partner. Again, if you do not write this line, your concept is wrong. Your concept is not correct. See, what have they given you? That if the third party deals with the firm, but he did not knew the retiring partner was a partner before retiring, then the retiring partner will not be liable. So you have to write this line, very, very important line. Now, see this, see this, see this. As per the provisions of section 28, you have to write this section. You have to write this section. Normal. See, as per the provisions of section 28, you have to write this section. You have to mention this section. Very, very important section. As per the provisions of section 28, where a man holds himself out as a partner or allows others to do it, when in fact he is not a partner, he is liable like a partner. To anyone who on the faith of representation has given credit to the firm. Exact definition, word to word, you have to mention this. Now, if you understand this, first, this spoke about retirement provision. Second, this spoke about partner by estoppel. And now see, partner by estoppel provision means provision for retirement, provision of partner by estoppel, provision for retirement, provision for partner by estoppel. Now, in the given case, R has not given public notice of his retirement from the partnership firm and Mr. S believes that R is a partner. Mr. R will be liable, which means conclusion plus facts. They have given you facts plus conclusion. Here also Mr. E, who has been introduced as a partner to Mr. E, who has not presumably denied, will also be liable for payment of 25 fans as per section 28. Again, facts plus conclusion. And then the closure, then the closure. Over and above, R and E, P and Q being the partner of the firm along with the firm will also be liable. Therefore, S can recover the payment from the firm P, Q, R and E. This is the closure. This is what you call closure. Closure means ending the answer with the entire conclusion. Do you get this? Means. See, what did they expect? First is retirement provision. Second is partner by estoppel provision. Third is facts of the case and conclusion for retirement. Fourth is facts of the case, conclusion for partner by estoppel, and then last closure, that all are liable. This is what they expect from a case study question. Please tell me, do you understand this? You can definitely write this if you want. Retirement provision, partner by store provision, facts first conclusion, closure. Please tell me, did you answer this? Do you understand this? So you said that keywords PDF will be given by link, but it is not yet uploaded. So I kindly request you to upload it in the video. So, yes, after the lecture is uploaded, this entire sheet will be uploaded in the description link. Don't worry. Attitude YouTube, don't worry. So keywords lecture has not been done yet. We'll try keeping a separate lecture if at all people are interested. So they'll comment down, so I'll understand that how many people are interested. So I'll keep a lecture. I'll mark you the PDF of the entire law book, and so you can take a print of it. Done? Do you get this? Saryanshri, Hala for a reason, question banks. Fantastic, fantastic. That's it. Now see, case study also we have done. Matlab, which means with this we cover LLP also. With this we cover the Indian Partnership Act also. 21 marks how to present paper has been done also. Now, if you go ahead, let us go ahead. Third, the Companies Act. The Companies Act. Done? Please tell me, or anything else that you expect from me, please tell me. So I'll take a note of it right here only, and I'll try arranging the lectures for that. Please tell me what do you want exactly? Like, apart from keyword lecture or toppers paper presentation, do you want anything else? Please tell me, so I'll take a note and accordingly I'll communicate to Sheikh sir. If the slot is, we will definitely take the lecture. Attitude YouTube, it is uploaded. I am very sure. I have personally checked the same. It is uploaded. It is uploaded. You can check the first lecture on the HighQ YouTube channel. It is surely uploaded. I myself have checked it. Go to the description link and please check. If not down, please comment in the lecture. Please comment there with your name and mobile number. I'll just tell the team to send it to your WhatsApp personally. We have a keywords PDF. Or if at all, please call the team. They'll tell my name that please send me Aditya sir's PDF, Aditya Na's PDF. They'll share you. Don't worry. Chalo. See. Okay. Do one thing. This is my number. 7273863863. This is my like WhatsApp number for specially I have taken for all the kids only. For my personal number, a WhatsApp number I have taken. Please ping me. I'll just right away forward it to you. Folks, no? Okay. I'll just tell, this is my number only, not any team's number. Just ping it to me. I'll just ask the team who handles this number. I'll tell them to forward it to you as soon as possible. This is the maximum I can do for you. Works for you? Okay. So one kid is telling me, and I want keywords lecture. One kid is telling me, and I want 1.5 day strategy. Okay, great. Got it. Done? Okay. Okay. Let us go ahead. Now, the Companies Act. See, again, let us take a summary of where are they asking you the Companies Act, and then let us start. First is question number B. Question number 1B. How many marks? 4 marks. Question number 1B, 4 marks. After I write everything, you can just take a photo of this as well. Okay? Question 1B. So 2 demands I have got. Thank you so much at YouTube. Okay. So I have got 2 demands as of now. That sir, we want keywords lecture, and sir, we want 1.5 day strategy. Thank you so much at YouTube. Thank you so much. It's very nice that you liked it. I'll surely tell my team to give it to you. Yeah. Thank you so much. So the Companies Act question 1B. It is based on 4 marks. Now the I'm just, one second, I'm just opening the WhatsApp for this, my amazing child. Okay, fair enough. The WhatsApp has been opened. Your just ping me, the sheet will be uploaded to you. The sheet will be forwarded to you. Done. Okay, great. Now, so the Companies Act question 1B is of 4 marks. It is a direct question. It is a direct question. Second. This is done. Second, it is not there in question number 2. It is not there in question number 3. Oh, it is not there in question number 4 as well. That is great. It is there in question number 5, 6 marks. Oh, question number 5. See, again, a direct question, 6 marks, which means now we understand that Companies Act also 2 direct questions they are asking you. Okay, let us go ahead. And Companies Act 1 case study. Okay, which is question 6C. Case study of 3 marks, which means if you understand one thing, this is as good as your Indian Partnership Act, but the weightage is 3 marks less, but the strategy is same. 2 direct questions and 1 small case study. And that is what I was telling you, that even if you do the mediocre chapters well, for example, let us say your contract is not really well, doesn't matter. You can do the remaining chapters and you will absolutely love it, because you'll be able to solve more questions and you'll get good marks. Do you get that? Okay, see, first question 1B. See this, question 1B. See what are they asking you. You are there with me? Please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. You are there with me, everybody? Yes, Riya, Sai Ganesh, Attitude, YouTube, Thala, Saryan Shri, everybody? You people are there? Okay. Now, see this. ABC Limited has allotted equity shares. ABC Limited has allotted equity shares with voting rights to XYZ Limited worth 15 crores and convertible preference shares worth 10 crores during the financial year 22-23. After that, the total share capital of the company is 100 crores. Okay. So, ABC Limited is a company which has allotted equity shares with voting rights to XYZ Limited, another company, worth how much? 15 crores. Okay. And convertible preference shares worth rupees 10 crores. Okay. After that, the total share capital of the company is 100 crores. Means out of the total share capital of 100 crores, 15 plus 10, 25 crores is with ABC Limited. 25 crores out of 100 crores means it is more than 20%. If you have more than 20%, yes, the other company becomes my associate. Comment on whether XYZ Limited would be called an associate company as per provisions of Companies Act 2013. Also define the associate company. So they are asking you 2 questions. First is comment whether it is an associate company. Second, define what is an associate company. Now see this. Let us go to the answer. See, first, again they are giving the heading. Again, section 2 subsection 6 of Companies Act. See, associate company in relation to another company means a company in which that other company has a significant influence, but not a subsidiary company of the company having such influence, which means first is the definition. Since in the answer they asked us definition, the first thing you need to answer is the definition. Even if they have asked you this at a later stage, the first thing is what you have to write in the examination is definition. Second, see this entire thing, first this is definition. Now in the answer, You have to mention about significant influence. You have to mention about joint venture. Then if you understand this, see, in the given case, ABC Limited has allowed equity shares with this, which means this is the facts of the case. Facts of the case. And now if you understand this, see this. Third, conclusion. Conclusion. If you understand this, if you have read the provision very, very clearly, see what is the provision. At least 20% of total voting power. Now you understand one thing. 20% of total voting power. You should have 20%, at least 20% of voting power. How do you get voting power? When you invest in the equity or you invest in the preference. You get voting power when you invest in the equity, which means when they are telling you at least 20% of voting power, ladies and gentlemen, please mark this in your textbooks. They are telling you 20% in equity capital. Means voting power means nothing but equity capital. This is June 23 paper, very, very nice paper, classy paper. They are telling you at least 20% of total voting power means 20% in the equity capital, because you get voting power only when you invest in equity. But here together 25% is there because they got preference also, which means here we do not have significant influence, which means here the company is not my associate. See this. In the given case, ABC Limited has allotted equity shares with voting rights to XYZ worth 15 crore and preference shares worth 10 crore. Since XYZ is holding only 15%, that is 15 crore equity share with voting rights, XYZ is not an associate company. XYZ is not an associate company. Do you get that? Okay, here one more thing they have written. See this, please check this. Please check this. It can be assumed that converter preferences are having voting rights. If you assume that they have voting rights, which means the total voting power is 25%, which means now it is an associate company. Please tell me, did you understand this? If you understand this, please take out your textbooks. Please take out this associate company definition. Please mark there. Voting power means that talking about equity capital, means you should have at least 20% stake in the equity capital, not the preference one. Please tell me, did you understand this? I am waiting for a thumbs up. Please tell me, did you understand how to write this answer? Definition, facts, conclusion. Please tell me. I am waiting. Please tell me. Take out your textbook. Take a note of this, everybody. Noted. Done, 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 done. Okay, just give me 1 second. Mr. YouTube Attitude, YT Attitude, please check your WhatsApp. A surprise is waiting for you. I have personally forwarded to you. My team has not done it. Just in front of you, the lecture is on. I have opened my WhatsApp because it was continuously bothering me that if my team will forget, then one more day will be wasted, which I didn't want it. So that is why I was just opening my WhatsApp. I just opened it. I activated it for a second and I have forwarded to you. Please tell me whether you have received it or not. I'm just waiting for your message out here only. I have again closed it. Okay, Saryanshri is telling I have to send the message. Thank you so much, Saryanshri. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is a keywords PDF. I have forwarded to you. Done? Yeah? Now what do I want in return? What do I want in return? I want you to study as diligently as possible. You will clear CA Foundation examination and make me and your parents proud. Please tell me. Tell me yes or no quickly. Don't message me there. Tell me here. And after the lecture is over, I'll comment it down. that yes, Anna, I will clear CA Foundation examination by hook or by crook and make my parents proud. Okay? I'm really very happy, sir. Thank you so much. You're absolutely welcome. This is my gift to you. You are going to clear CA Foundation examination, and everybody who is watching this lecture is going to clear CA Foundation examination. Okay? Pratham Rajgur, I'm there also, I'm here also. These kids are also mine, and Innovate kids are also mine. Okay? I'm here to make you happy only, don't worry. Okay, absolutely correct. So my one stress is done. My one of my bacha, he didn't receive the notes, so I was forwarded to him. Okay, fantastic. Chalo. Let us go ahead, guys. This is done. Okay, this is done. Now, see. Next is question number. Thank you. Absolutely welcome, ma'am. Absolutely welcome. See. Next is question number 5C. One more direct question. After my lecture is done, I'll just scroll it to you. You can take a photo of this as well. Okay. So you can just keep in mind. Oh, Indian partnership have 2 direct question, 1 case study. Question number 3, 4, 6. Okay. Now, see this. The Companies Act. Please see this. So again, of the Companies Act, we have three questions. Question number 1, direct question. Question number 5, direct question. Question number 6, case study. Please keep on commenting. Whether you are there with me or not. Please keep on commenting. Can I go ahead? Can I proceed? Can I start question number 5C? Please tell me. Question number 5C. Please tell me. Can I go ahead? So why not on Edno channel? Ednovate channel, I have taught a lot. I have loved all the kids of my Ednovate. They are also my kids. I believe I did not reach HighQ kids as much I reached Ednovate kids, and that is why I want to reach them also. And so that is why I'm doing it at the HighQ channel. I'll surely do it on the Ednovate channel as well. Okay. Is this always a pattern? Yes, Aryanshri. This is a set pattern. You can follow it, don't worry. Okay, now, please tell me, can I go ahead? Just comment me down, please. Say yes. We'll surely do it, Ria. Please comment me yes. Can I go ahead? Okay. Now see this. Next. Explain the concept of corporate wheel. Briefly state the circumstances when the corporate wheel can be lifted. This is a very direct question they are asking you, that please tell me what do you mean by corporate wheel and the circumstances when corporate wheel can be lifted. See this. See, first is very easy. Definition of corporate wheel. They have given you the definition of corporate wheel. Okay, I'll surely check it, Sai Ganesh. Please give me some time. First is they have given a definition of corporate wheel. Okay. Second is they are talking about lifting of corporate wheel. Now, in the lifting of corporate wheel, please see this. The following are the cases where the company law disregards the principle of corporate personality. Means, in these cases, we will lift the corporate wheel. What is corporate wheel? Which means a company is a separate identity from its member. What is lifting of corporate wheel? Lifting of corporate wheel means we will not see the separate identity, we will lift the corporate wheel and we will check who is behind that company. Do you get that? Now see this. Point number 1. To determine the true character of the company, that is to find out whether co-enemy or friend. First, we have checked it that whether he is our co-enemy or he is our friend. That is the first point. This is already there in the module. Exact answer they have asked you. Saryansha, I'll give it to you. Sai Ganesh, I'll give it to you. Please give me some time. Let me complete this answer. I'll surely give it to you. Please trust your Anna. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. To determine the character of the company, that is to find out whether co-enemy or friend. The first point. Second, to protect revenue or tax. Third, to avoid legal obligation. Fourth, formation of subsidiaries. And 5, company from fraudulent or improper conduct. So out of this answer, well, there are 5 points. You can just mention any 4. A direct question what they have asked you. A very direct question is what they had asked you. Please tell me, did you understand this, yes or no? So we are not discussing that what should be the answer. We already know this, that what is the answer of this, we already know this. Please tell me, do you get this? That what are they asking you? They are asking you definition of corporate wheel, lifting of corporate wheel, what should be the provisions? Please tell me. Can I go ahead? Okay, I'm just waiting for more confirmations. Please tell me, can I go ahead? Thank you so much, Saranya. I have got your message. Okay. Dharnik Joshi, you want the PDF? Okay. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. One at a time, one at a time, one at a time. Done? Okay. Sai Ganesh, or Sai Ganesh, I'll do it to you also. Wait. See, it is difficult to send it to everybody. What I'll do is, in the previous lecture, it is already there on the HighQ YouTube channel. You can take it from there, or else what I'll do is, here also I'll try at the end of the lecture, we'll put the keywords PDF, don't worry. Okay? Okay. Chalo. Can we go ahead? Fantastic, fantastic. See, Saranya, I think you have your supplies. Please check it. That is great. Sai Ganesh and Saranya, I think you have received a supplies. Great. Okay. Now, no more sending of PDFs to you all. I'll upload it in the description link so you can take it from there, guys. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Neil is big fan. Thank you so much, Neil. Okay, let us go ahead. Let us go ahead. Now. Question 6C, a case study question. See, I'll do everything that you want from me. At the end, I'm going to ask you, what more do you want? I'll definitely just take a note of this and try uploading that lectures as well. What do I want it from you? What do I want it from you? After the lecture is over, do like the lecture. That is a motivation for us. Do comment down on the lecture so that the lecture can reach maximum number of students. I can help them also. I can send them the PDFs. I can try staying connected to them also. So the YouTube algorithm works like this. Please do that also. And when the lecture is uploaded, do comment down that whether you like the lecture or did not like the lecture. Please do comment it down. That acts as a motivation for me. And stay connected on Instagram. Yes, Instagram you should stay connected. See, Aditya Sharma is my Insta ID. You can definitely stay connected. So the message that you put in the comment section, I can take a screenshot of it and I can upload it on my Instagram, because that is like a memory for me. That is the love of my students, my brothers, sisters. So that is what I like to do. So that is something that you have to give me in return. Okay? Thank you so much. Welcome Saryan Shri. Welcome Sai Ganesh. Great. Now let us go ahead. Let us go ahead. No, not my team. I have opened because I was worrying that my team will delay it. One more day of the student should not get wasted, so I had forwarded to you. Okay, great. Now see this. This is done and this is done. Now case study question. Now what is case study? See this. ABC Limited is a registered company under the Companies Act 13. We have very less questions are left to discuss. Okay, I'll take a note of whatever you want, but do share it to your friends now. ABC Private Limited is a registered company under the Companies Act 13 with paid up capital of 35 lakhs. Okay, ABC is a company with paid up capital of 35 lakhs, turnover of 2.5 crores. Okay, whether the ABC Private Limited can avail the status of small company. Oh, they are asking you the small company, which means here only first I know that I will have to write the definition of small company and then I have to answer them. Whether the ABC Private Limited company can avail the status of small company in accordance with provision of Companies Act 13. Also discuss the meaning of small company. Even if they would have not mentioned this statement that discuss the meaning, we would have definitely write the definition. Please see this. Please see this. Small company as defined under section 2 subsection 85 companies at 13 means a company other than public company. Okay, now paid up capital does not exceed 4 crore, does not exceed 4 crore, but which shall not be more than 10 crore. I mean, higher amount can be 10 crore, but it shall not be. So see, today it shall not exceed 4 crore. In future, if the law gets amended, they will amend it, but maximum it will be 10 crore only. Turnover of the immediately preceding financial year shall not exceed 40 crore. In the future, if they want to amend the law, they can, but it will not be more than 100 crore. Being a student, Anna, please tell us the keyword of this answer, because this answer is an amended answer. So this answer live I will give you keyword right now only. Paid up capital does not exceed 4 crore. Turnover for the immediately preceding financial year does not exceed 40 crore. Exceptions. This clause does not apply to holding company, subsidiary company, section 8 company, company or body corporate governed by special act. This is the definition which you will have to write this, guys. You will have to write this. A keyword. This is a minimalistic keyword. You will have to write this. Do you get that? Now if you check the conclusion, see this. In the given case, since the paid up capital of ABC Limited is 35 lakhs, turnover is 2.5 crore. If you check, paid up capital 35 lakh, turnover 2.5 crore, both are within the limit. It can avail the status of small company as both the requirements with regard to paid up capital as well as turnover are fulfilled. See the word and. They have not written or, they have written the word and, which means very easily they have asked you only two things. Point number 1, definition. Point number 2, conclusion. Please tell me, did you get this? I am waiting for your answers. Please tell me, did you get this? Welcome Sai Ganesh, welcome Saryanshri. Please tell me, did you get this? Can we proceed, guys? Anna will definitely pass the CA Foundation exam. I am very sure you will pass the CA Foundation examination. If in this world anybody can pass CA Foundation examination, it is going to be you. Great, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Okay, okay Dinesh, okay. Yes, I can. So that what is that 100 crore? That if in the future the law want to amend the definition, so they'll amend it, but maximum they can increase it till 100 crores only. Maximum they can increase it till 10 crores only. Beyond that they cannot amend it. Done? Okay? Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Let's go ahead. Now, so see here. Your Companies Act is also done. Companies Act is also done. Did you get this? Fair enough. Now, the fourth question, point number D. Point number D. What is point number D? The Sales of Goods Act 1930. No, Thala, for a reason that is amended. Please don't read that. Sir, hope for the best. Anxiety level is too high. See, listen to me. Everybody who's listening to me. Just keep on listening what I am telling and start imagining what I am telling. This pathway that you're going through is one of the most difficult pathways of life. Trust me. I'm not as elder as you consider me. I am the youngest in the team of Innovate and HighQ. This pathway that you have chosen is very difficult. But trust me, this pathway which is very, very difficult, after the journey ends, this is going to mint you millions. This is going to mint you billions. You have no idea what is the level of happiness you can see in your parents' eyes. That my son is a chartered accountant. My daughter is a chartered accountant. Please talk to me very, 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 very at a very low voice. Give me respect. My son or daughter is a chartered accountant. But to complete this journey, you know those two people, who are those two people who will support you the most? Who are those two people that are literally just giving up everything in life so that you can become a chartered accountant? Is your parents. Just imagine a single day that your dad, your father, they just go out for some office purpose, or they may do some other work. They work every single day. They do not ask for any holiday. They work every single day. And why do they work? They work so that you can become a chartered accountant. They just go out and mint money every single day. Why do they do that? So that you can become a chartered accountant. Just imagine a day of our father. Just they go to office, or maybe working somewhere. They came out, they come out at night. They come at our house at night. We don't even know whether they have eaten properly or not. We don't even ask them. They just go out every single day. Why? Why do they go out? So that they can mint money. Why? So that they can invest in your studies. Think about our mothers. Oh, Baba. Mothers, do we have any comparison for mothers? No. They are the goddess. Every parent is the best parent in the world. Trust me. Every parent is the best parent in the world. Be it rich parent, rich parent, poor parent. They are just giving out the bestest of them. Whatever they have, they are giving you more than that. Whatever they have, they are giving you more than that. Mothers, they just cook food for us so that we can eat and survive. We don't even know they eat or not. Maybe they also work. So every single day our parents are just working every day and night so that they can just collect money and invest in you so that you can become a chartered accountant. This is just an exam. Can't we just clear this exam and gift it to our parents? That please parents, please, my mom, dad, take this degree. Your son or your daughter has become a chartered accountant. Just a degree. What have they demanded from us? Just a degree. Can't we give this just a small degree to them? Don't you want to take your parents out to a very nice restaurant? Taj Hotel in Chennai, Taj Hotel in Mumbai. Don't you want to take out your parents to that hotel? Don't you want them that please parents have dinner, I will pay the bill? Don't you want to do that? Don't you want to come out of a luxurious car? Give your parents that experience that your son or your daughter has a car. It is your car. Because of you, I have become a chartered accountant. Thank you so much, mom and dad. This car belongs to you. Don't you want to have your own home? Don't you want to give them the bestest of life? They are giving them whatever they have. If it is in your hands, they'll give you their breaths also. That is what a parent is called. Can't we just give them a degree, a CA foundation exam clear? We cannot just, are we not intelligent kids enough to clear this CA foundation examination? Please tell me, is it so difficult? We have to just study. Can't we just study day and night and give them that, see, this is your son, this is your daughter who have cleared the CA foundation examination in this attempt for you. I am going to take you on a world tour. I am going to give you everything. I am going to give you whatever you ask me. Just tell me whatever you want. Your son or daughter is a chartered accountant. Just see it. Just imagine the aura you will have. I get it. You are facing a lot of anxiety. You are facing a lot of trouble. But imagine what is the level of problems that are there in your parents' life. Do they complain? They don't. They still go out every single day. They don't ask for a holiday. When was the last time you found them chilling? When was the last time? Did you find them chilling on a beach, relaxing? When was the last time? Please tell me. Please. Remember, when was the last time your parents was chilling? 0% tension. Please tell me. No? Cannot remember? Even I can't. But today, my parents, I'm a chartered accountant. I'm a chartered accountant. My parents, I'll tell you, my dad, he was a labor worker. If at all you have seen the movie, a very famous movie, Pushparaj of the Tamil Nadu. So my dad was a labor worker. He studied only till 10th standard. My mom is a graduate, but my mom is a tuition teacher. So both faced a lot trouble when they were, when I was studying. A lot of expenses were there. My coaching expenses, my going out to the college, food expenses, this, that. They just expected one thing from me, that Aditya, please clear the CA examination, not for us, not for you, but just to prove everyone that you are a chartered accountant. And I did it. Why? Because I wanted to take them on the world tour. So if I can do it despite all the problems, I am very sure you also can do it. And I'm very, very sure you'll clear this examination and gift it to your parents. You'll give them everything that they want. You'll just take them out on the world tour. You will take them out in the bestest of restaurant in the world. You will give them the best car that exists in the world. You will be the richest of the richest. And you are going to be a chartered accountant. Comment down in the chat box. Comment down. After the lecture is uploaded, you will see this lecture. Those who are going to see this recorded lecture will comment down. You are going to clear CA Foundation examination in December 2023. Remaining people who are just live with me, tell me you are going to clear a CA examination. Please tell me right here, right now. Comment down in the chat box. Yes, Anna, we are going to clear CA Foundation examination. Right now, please tell me. After that, we'll start the session. Come on, everybody. Do it right now. Only people who write this in the chat box or comment box, clear the CA examination. Right away, please do it. Write it with all the faith that you believe in God. If you do not believe in your parents, they are God for us. Write down right here, right now. You are going to clear CA Foundation examination in December 23. That's it. That's it. That's it. Remaining people, right away you have to write it. I'm very sure all of you are going to clear CA Foundation examination. Absolutely, absolutely, Ria. Hard work is in your hands. Then put on all the hard work. Put on all the hard work. That's it. That's it. Fantastic. I'm very sure you're going to clear CA Foundation examination and make my mom proud. Fantastic, Dinesh. Amazing. Fantastic, Kamli. Fantastic, Thala. Sai, Ganesh, Attitude, YT. Absolutely amazing. Chalo, let us go ahead. Now, the last part. 10 minutes max and we can wind up the lecture. Last part. Now, the sales of goods act. See this. First, again, let us prepare a summary. Sales of Goods Act, question number 1C, a case study type question. C. Question 1C. Case study, 4 marks. Question 4A. Question 4A, Soga, 6 mark. Question 5A is again Soga, but here's the catch. See, if at all you check question 4A Soga, it's a direct question. Question 5A, if you check question 5A, both questions that they are asking you are based on case studies. One is 2 mark, one is 4 mark, which means question 5A 6 mark and it is based on your case study. Which means if you understand one thing, see, Soga, they are asking you for 16 marks. Which means, ladies and gentlemen, if you understand one thing, partnership 16 marks, LLP 16 marks, 16 marks worth Soga, 13 marks worth Companies Act, which means the live paper I am presenting in front of you. 5, see, this is a calculator I am doing in front of you. 5 marks LLP, 16 marks is Soga, 16 marks is Partnership Act, 13 marks is Companies Act. Out of 70 marks, 50 marks paper, easily you can write even if you do not know the Indian Contract Act 1872. From this 50 marks, even if you score 40 to 45, I believe out of the Indian Contract Act something you will score. Out of 20 marks, So law paper is a 70 marks. So out of 20 marks, something you will score, something, which means if I understand one thing, out of this 50, you can easily score 40. No big deal. No big deal. Attempt full 50, you will score 40. If you write in the manner institute is expecting. 20 marks contract. Out of this 10 marks, at least 10 marks you can score out of 20 marks of contract. 50 marks easily you can get in law, easily without any effort, effortless I am talking about. 20 marks at least you can score in BCR. Out of 40 marks they'll ask you with option, 20 marks you'll score in BCR. That's it. 70, 75 is what easily you can get in law paper. Do you get this strategy? But only you can do this if you understand the strategy. If you have this in front of you before going for the examination, that this is going to be my question. For example, sales of goods act, question number 1C, case study, 4, SOGA, 5, SOGA. You should have this strategy in front of you before going for the examination. Do you get that? Now see, question 1C, let's go ahead. See. See this. Mr. A contracted to sell a Swift car to Mr. B. Okay. Both missed to discuss the price of the said Swift car. Later, Mr. A refused to sell his Swift car to Mr. B. See, there was already a contract. Both did not discuss on the price of the car, and later Mr. A refused despite they were having a contract. B, on the ground that agreement was void, being uncertain about the price. Okay, so he refused to sell the Swift car to Mr. B on the ground that we were uncertain about the price, so it was void. Okay, no problem. Does Mr. B have any right against Mr. A under the Sales of Goods Act 1930? Let us see what are they expecting from you. Please show us the slide you have written, sir, so we can take the screenshot. I will give allow you time to take the screenshot. Don't worry, I remember it. Now see this, see this, see this, see. Again, as per the provisions of Sales of Goods Act 1930, price is consideration for sale of goods, and therefore there is a requirement to make contract of sale, which means first they are telling you that price is consideration. Now, as per section 9 of the Sales of Goods Act, price in a contract of sale may be fixed by the contract or may be left to be fixed in a manner thereby agreed or may be determined by course of dealing between the parties. If you understand one thing, I think this is from unit number 3 of Sales of Goods Act, the last answer, price, which means again price you decide or other will decide it for you, other will decide it for you. That is your point number 2. Third, even though both the parties missed to discuss the price of the car while making the contract, it will be a valid contract rather than being uncertain and void. The buyer shall pay a reasonable price, which means point number 3, reasonable price. See, this is the keyword I am showing it to you, like how to present the paper. And point number 4, in the given case, A and B have entered into contract for sale of motor car but did not fix the price. So this is basically the facts of case. At the end they are writing Mr. A can recover a reasonable price, which means point number 4, facts plus conclusion. Which means if you understand one thing, first is they talk about, if they spoke about price. Second, they spoke about that price either you decide or somebody else will decide. Again, it was a provision based on provision for price. It is there in the module. Third, they are telling you that if nobody decides, then a reasonable price should be paid. And fourth, they give you facts plus conclusion. Please take a photo of this also, that how are they expecting you to write the answer. Today's lecture is literally sheer critical because we have opened the institute suggested answer. Suggested means the institute suggests you to write this answer. This is as good as a topper's paper. A topper's paper will be equal to exactly this paper. Do you get that? Please, please, please suggest, forward it to your friends that how are the institute's expectation on you to write the paper. Do like it if you find the value addition, and please comment down for me that how did you like the lecture, and you are going to clear CA Foundation in December 2023. No problem. We'll definitely, I'll give you a Mr. Trending Videos, what I'll do is I'll upload the keyword sheet in the description box. What you can do is you can take the print of that. If at all you have not covered the entire law, read that sheet. In that sheet keywords are given, so you can just remember that keywords and try covering the questions. Try covering the questions. Just read out the questions. You will be done. Don't worry. Done? Okay. Now next question. See this. This is done. Next, direct question. Question number 4A. See this. See. Discuss in brief the rights of buyer against the seller, which means very nice question. They're asking you rights of buyer against the seller for breach of contract. See this, a very direct question, very less to discuss. See, if the seller commits a breach of contract, the buyer gets the following right. A direct module question. See, first, damages for non-delivery, suit for specific performance, suit for breach of warranty, repudiation of contract, suit for interest. A very, very direct question, nothing to discuss. They are expecting 5 points from you. It's a 6-mark answer. You will have to write all 5. Nothing there. At the most, what I can do is I can just give you the marking in this answer. This you have to. This you have to. This you have to. But here this. That's it. No more marking is there because okay, this I can wait. That's it. This is what I can, you can take the marking. Point number 1 is full, 2 is full, 3 is full. In 3 I have made some changes. 4 is full. 5 little I made some changes. This answer is there in your module. It is there in the module. Unit number 4, rights of unpaid seller. Unit number 4, rights of unpaid seller. Please see this. You can take the marking. See, you know the answer now. By 23rd December, I am very sure you know the answer now. The problem is how to present it. Okay, keywords lecture. Yes, I'll surely take that. I'll surely try taking that. That is not a problem. Do you understand this? Please tell me whether you are there with me. Yes, no. Done. Okay, okay. Chalo, let us go ahead. Let us go ahead. Let us go ahead. Please tell me whether you are there with me. Yes, no. Okay, fantastic. I was just reading the comments actually. Okay, here it was not visible. Okay, now it is visible back. Great, great. Okay, now the last question. See this, question number 5A, which is based on case study. See this. See. An auction sale of certain goods was held on 7th March 23 by fall of hammer in favor of highest bidder X. Okay, auction means this question is, you need to understand that this question is based on your auction sale. Now, the payment of auction price was made on 8th March 23 followed by delivery of goods on 10th March 23. Based upon the provisions of Sales of Goods Act 1930, decide when the auction sale is complete. See this. When was the auction held? 7th March 23 by fall of hammer. The payment of auction price was made on 8th March 23 followed by delivery of goods on 10th March 23. Based upon the sale of goods or provision of Sales of Goods Act 1930, decide when the auction sale is complete. This question I am asking you, you have 3 dates. 7th March 23 when the hammer was fall, when there was a fall of hammer. 8th March 23 when the price was paid. 10th March 23 when the delivery was made. By now you should be able to answer this. Please tell me, what do you think is the answer? Okay, first answer I got 7th March. Aditya is writing 7th March. Oh, Aditya, nice name. Any other answer? Yes. Fall of hammer, that is great. Now let's take the institute solution. See this. One second. See how are they writing this? As per section 64 of the Sales of Goods Act 1930. Well, if you don't remember this section, it is absolutely fine. As per the Sales of Goods Act 1930, the sale is complete when the auctioneer announces completion by fall of hammer or in any other customary manner. In the given case, auction sale is completed on 7th March 2023. That's it. Only 3 to 4 lines. Only 3 to 4 lines should be there for 2 marks answer. Please tell me, did you get this? Yes or no? Please tell me, did you get this? Yes, no? Yes, absolutely correct. Yes. Please give me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. And see this answer. See this. See this. Certain goods were sold by sample by J to K, who in turn sold the same goods by sample to L, and L by sample sold the same goods to M. Oh, so if you understand one thing, from J to K, then to L. Okay, and L by sample sold the same goods to M, means J, K, L, M. M found that goods were not according to the sample and rejected the goods and gave a notice to L. Okay, L sued K, K sued J. Can M reject this? Very fantastic question that they have asked this. See this. J, K, L, M. M rejected. Then what happened is M sued L, L sued K, K sued J. So first they went like this, then they went like this. Fantastic question. Very nice question that they are asking you. But these kind of question now they will not ask you in this attempt, because in previous attempt they had asked you this. But let us read this question and do this question before going for the examination. Advise, can M reject the goods? Also advise K and L as per provision of Sales of Goods Act 1930. See, here now that answer will come. That bulk should correspond to the sample. See, as per the provisions of the Sales of Goods Act 1930, in a contract of sale by sample, there is an implied condition that bulk should correspond with the sample. The buyer shall have a reasonable opportunity. The buyer shall have a reasonable opportunity of comparing the bulk with the sample. Then, in this case, M received the goods by sample from L, but since the goods were not according to the sample, M can reject the goods and can sue L. Why not? M did not got the goods as promised, so obviously he can reject it from the person he has got. He can sue to L, no problem. With regard to K and L, L can recover damages from K, K can recover damages from J. Absolutely correct. Why not? see, everybody will recover damages. Everybody can sue the person from whom they have received it and can sue them. So everybody can sue the person from the person they have received the goods and can ask for damages. But for both K and L, it will not be treated as breach of implied condition as to sample, as they have accepted and sold the goods according to the Sale of Goods Act 1930. See, you need to understand one thing. J, K, L and M. M can sue, no problem. Okay. Ask for damages. Okay. No problem, no problem. L can ask for damages. K can ask for damages. Okay. Now you need to understand. M is out of the picture now. Let's talk about K and L. If you understand one thing, what have they written? See here. See, the last 3 lines are very critical. See this. But for both K and K, it will not be treated as breach of implied condition as to sample, as they have accepted and sold the goods. See, K sold the goods, L sold the goods, and they have accepted it and sold the goods. So now they cannot do the breach of implied condition. M can sue because you have not accepted it. C, M have accepted it, can sue, ask for damages. L, see, you don't understand, last line. M did not accept it, can sue, ask for damages. L accepted it, can ask for damages, cannot sue because he has checked and accepted it. K have accepted the goods. So he cannot sue now, but he can ask for damages, but he have accepted the goods. Do you get that? If at all they mention in the question that they did not accept, they just forward it as it is, then they can also sue. Do you get this? I'll just summarize. See, I'll just summarize. J, K, L, M. M, he did not accept the goods, so he can sue, ask for damages. L accepted the goods, cannot sue, ask for damages. K accepted the goods, cannot sue, ask for damages. Do you get that? Do you get this, kids? Please tell me. Yes, no? Please tell me, did you get this? Dinesh, trending videos, Saryan Shri. Okay, please tell me yes, no? Okay. Yes? Okay, got it. Harish, fantastic. Hi Harish, welcome. Okay, so with this, we'll wind up today's lecture. Okay, 4 major topics have been discussed. I'll try covering contract in a separate lecture. What I want from you, first, if at all you find any value addition from this lecture, do like the lecture at the end. This is like a motivation for me that yes, I did something nice. Second is comment down. After the video is uploaded, you have to comment down 2 things. First is my favorite, that you are going to clear CA foundation in December 23. Second is what do you need more? What is that you are expecting more? So I have to do first 2 separate comments. First is you are going to clear CA foundation. Second is Anna, please cover this also. For example, people have mentioned me that Anna, we want paper discussion of topper. No problem. Please comment it down. Maximum topics that student want, I will take that lecture. Second is Anna, please give us marking of the keywords from the entire textbook. Or point number C, take a revision lecture on keywords. So whatever is the maximum comment, we'll try covering that lecture. We'll try covering that. Second, 2 things I wanted to you comment separately. First is yes, Anna, we are going to clear CA foundation in December 23. And second is out of 3 things, whatever you want, please comment it down. We'll try covering that as well. Ria, it is 120 days now. Okay, so whatever suits you, whatever you want, please comment it down. Maximum comments, we'll try uploading that lecture. And third is the most important. If you find any value addition, do share it to your friends. Fair enough. So with this background, with this whatever technicalities we did, whatever things we discussed, I hope you found this as a value addition. Please keep studying, please keep hustling. I'm very sure you're going to clear CA Foundation examination and make your parents proud. Also, we'll try bringing a strategy that how do we clear the CA, how do we, what to do in 2 days, 1.5 days CA Foundation strategy, whatever you want. Like you want this point number D, 1.5 day strategy, please comment down that. So we'll understand what are the maximum demands of students. So accordingly we can plan that. Do you get that? Fair enough? So whatever you want, you have to comment down the maximum comments. We'll take that lecture first, and then remaining lecture we'll try keeping that also. Done? Okay. Please take the screenshot of paper pattern as promised, and then let us wind up. Done? Okay. This is done. Fantastic. Fair enough. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. So with this, we end today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you got some value addition. So do like the lecture. Comment down whatever I've told you. First is you are going to clear CA Foundation examination in December 23. And second, as a separate comment, whatever you want. So the maximum comments, what we'll do is, we'll keep a lecture on that. And third, if you find any value addition, do share it to your friends. Do stay connected on Instagram, and we shall surely meet in the CA inter batch of HighQ. Okay, so oh yes, so I take accounts at the CA inter at HighQ and final at the CA final at HighQ. So we're going to surely see you there, and all the best to each one of you. Do study well. Bye bye. See you. Take care. Yes, that 70-75 case studies are enough. Please don't do more than that. Yes. Bye bye. See you. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.